Country life, oh, country life. Such a beautiful thing, such a beautiful thing.
Why are you beeping the horn for?
I don't know, but this is a bit of beautiful, beautiful.
Look at
Such woo, country life, oh country. I just love Mother Earth and all the beautiful things, all the beautiful things in this whole wide world. Country life. Look at the babies walking down the street. You see the babies just carry on so free. Oh, country life. Oh, country. Look at them play in the field. Oh, I just love the country life. Oh, country life. Ooh.
Oh my god. Oh my shoe. We out here. Look at his shoe.
You just stuck in the pedal?
Yeah. Yeah.
You stuck in the trench?
We at the farm.
We at the farm. At the farm. Look at Zaymir. Hey, Zaymir. At the farm. Yes, we is at the farm.
What the cows did?
With all this beautiful land. All this beautiful land. Woo, woo, woo.
Dex.
Wonderful thing. Just a wonderful thing.
Kush I drove.
He did?
He tried to.
You gonna put it in reverse.
I'm gonna be him. Him supposed to be driving. He think cause he in the country, he can drive. Then you can't drive.
He just put up the rear figure.
Not in the video, he did.
Mom, he did this.
Y'all wanna go on the barn?
Mom, he did this.
Let's go on the barn. Time to go on the barn.
He did this.
We on our way in this.
Mom, look what he did. He did
This
this.
oh.
We saw you put your fingers.
Woo. Alright. We ain't gonna go too deep down in the.
Deep down
Woo.
in the valley.
Look at this.
Yeah, me and my
Woo.
go. Deep down in the valley.
We gonna get some horses up in here. Get down for somebody fall.
We've been up there already.
I don't care. Get down. It ain't sturdy enough.
Yes, it is. It is, Mom.
Alright, they trying to climb up there, but we too far from. We don't got no first aid kits down here yet.
Mom, we've been up here
All right,
1,000
come on.
times today.
Alright.
Down up the valley.
Y'all see this? Nice.
Down by the
Nice
valley.
place. We need some chicken coops up in here.
Chicken,
Yes,
chicken.
we do. We need some chicken coops up in here. Yes, we do. We need some chicken coops up in here. And some horses.
Let's
Yes.
get the horses and the chicken.
Let's see, they want to be funny and go up there anyway, as I told them not to.
Yeah. But we fall.
Come on, y'all. Y'all know how sturdy it is. It need to be
Mom.
renovated.
So,
Come on.
it's extra 30, Mom.
Come on, let's go.
Look at these pieces. Of
It's time to go. You see how they being hard-headed. Now, if something happened, y'all heard on tape. I'd have told them.
Stop, Kush.
I'd have told them 1,000 times.
The video is over.
All right, come on. My phone going dead.
Oh, snap. Down by the valley.
You see the babies trying to come in the... They trying to come in the barn too. Shit.
No.
Look at them babies.
Why?
They ready to form already. Look at them babies. Y'all ready to dig some dirt? Huh? Dig some dirt. Y'all want to dig some dirt? They say they want to dig some. You want to dig some? Come on, let's go. Time to go. Come on. It's time for the tribe to go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, y'all. They coming out. Come on, y'all. Kush. Kush, come on.
Send me in the honey game.
He stuck. Your leg. Stop playing. All right, we gone. Bye.
This way, down by the valley.
Watch those puddles. Y'all better watch the puddles.
Watch the puddles.
Get the babies. Take the baby up there. Cause we have to leave. Woo! I can't wait to come back when it's all dried up. We gonna have a ball, boy. We gonna have a ball. We gonna have concerts and everything.
Can I get in the truck this time?
No, that's against the law. I ain't want to get in the trunk and ride in my little bitty hatchback all the way to Cincinnati. No, sir, Rick.
Look at it.
Stop. Stop playing. No. I already almost tore my car up coming up here.